Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, part-time seller and anxious to get on vacation. Part-time seller on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark.
Yes, and this is our last video before vacation, so we are way too excited for that.
Yeah, I want to get out of the house now.
Yes. So today's video, we are giving you a what sold video for our first and only so far Goodwill Blue Box that we have done. This was summer of last year that we got this.
It's been a long while, yeah.
Yeah. So if you like that type of content, you like unboxing videos, you like what sold videos, all that type of stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you're notified every time we post new videos. Post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. And give this video a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more Goodwill Blue Boxes. If we do get enough interest, we will order another one. They're cheap enough that they're one of those things that we'll just try out for you guys. And leave us a comment down below and let us know. Have you had success with Goodwill Blue Box? What has been your experience? Are there certain boxes that are better than others? Let us know. We've only tried one, so we can't really...
So going back and watching the video, we weren't all that excited about the box. It wasn't an expensive box. I think there was a little bit of controversy because people were getting just not items that they wanted to sell.
Yeah.
Back when it came out.
Yeah, so it was pretty new when we got it. People were kind of just getting a lot of junk and they didn't know what to expect, but we wanted to try it for ourselves. I will say there is one part that made me really happy about this box, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, ready to get into it?
Yeah, let's get into the numbers.
Okay, so this box tells you that you're going to get anywhere between 10 and 12 items, and we got 11. So check for them for giving that.
I think technically in the video it was 12 if you count the suit set as 2 pieces.
Yeah, so I mean, either way, they gave you exactly what to expect number-wise, so that's always good and always a plus in my book. But let's go through the items, what sold, why they sold, and why maybe they didn't sell, because some of it is my fault.
First off, the box costs $24.99 plus shipping.
Yes.
So a very reasonably priced box.
Yeah, not expensive at all, so it's one of those things that if you want to try it, it's definitely affordable. It's not like, you know, a throw-up designer box that's $300. Okay, so let's start with the items that we received. So the first item that we pulled out of the box was a New Day gray wallet.
Yep.
This item was never listed. I kind of made it pretty clear in the video I wasn't super excited about it existing. But yeah, I don't tend to sell those type of items, just not something that's in my brand. But if anybody wants a New Day wallet, I guess
You'll send it out for $5, $10.
Yeah, and if you guys have experience selling that type of brand and you know like what to lot it with and that type of stuff, let me know. I just don't really want to sell something like at $10 when I'm going to get a $2 return. So never listed, so didn't sell.
Next is Kimerey athletic t-shirt.
Yeah, again, another item that didn't sell. Now, now that we're in this kind of swing of activewear brands being really popular, I could consider it. But again, I would like to lot it up. So if you guys know what you would lot it up with, again, let me know. Number 3 is an Esley dress. Now this one is sold, or is listed, not sold.
Listed, not sold.
Yes, listed, not sold. It is in my Poshmark closet. I actually think it's really cute. It has really beautiful statement sleeves, but I don't think it's a brand that's really well known, so it's just been kind of sitting there. It doesn't get a ton of attention, but it's beautiful. Yes. It is listed.
So you're making progress. At least it's available to be purchased.
Yeah, that's true. Number 4 was the Kasper suit set that he had alluded to. Now, this is not a suit, but rather a vest and pants.
It's like a top and pants, kind of, without the jacket. So it's not a suit combo. It's a top and pants.
Yeah, no, I believe this was a vintage brand. I don't know a ton about this brand, but it was not something that excited me. I don't really sell professional wear very well, and certainly not now. So that could be something that I keep around just to see if later on that comes back in trend, but for now. Next is Nike golf pants.
You did sell first sale from the box.
I did. I did sell the Nike golf pants. We sold those for $20. And we actually just recently, out of a ThredUp box, the ThredUp men's box we recently unboxed, we got Nike golf shorts.
Yep.
So I'm excited about them because these pants actually sold relatively quickly. So I'm hoping that the shorts
for $20
do the same.
So
yeah. So
next was Ann Taylor striped shorts. Also sold $10.
Yeah, $10. They were really cute. They were blue and white striped. They were adorable. But yeah, I mean, I didn't expect much out of them.
Next is Tech Gear Blue. shorts.
Yeah. So these aren't listed either. They are kind of athleisure, so like maybe someone would want them. But again, their price point when you purchase them at the store is very low. So I guess if we lauded it with something, maybe. But
not listed. So
not listed. Nope.
Next would be the Jones New York skirt, which I didn't know the word for.
Yeah, you were like, I think it's a skirt with shorts under it.
Yeah.
It was adorable. Look at you growing. Look at that. Yeah, again, not listed. Jones New York, I don't actually know much about, but I do know that the comps were pretty low. So, yeah, we're just saying a lot of not listed, aren't we?
Floral Cha Venti top.
Yes. So this one is my most exciting sale. Now, it wasn't the most profitable sale. That is still to come. However, one of you purchased this, and this just made me so happy. This was purchased with another item. So looking at the price of the bundle, this came out to about $10 for this shirt.
It was 2 for $20.
Yeah. So it was really exciting for me to have one of you guys reach out, let me know that you liked it. And anything that brings me closer to you guys just makes my whole day. So I mean, I'll buy another box just to have another interaction.
I mean, if you want to buy something for basically $5, $10, she'll sell it to you happily.
Yeah.
Just because it makes her
It just makes me happy that you guys reach out. So that one was really exciting for me. And if you're watching, I do hope you still love this top and would love to see you in it one day. If you want to tag me in a photo, just makes me happy to know that I gave somebody a good item.
What's next?
The next item is our most profitable item in the box. So it's a 3 dots dress. And I was so dumb in this video. Did you hear me in this video?
No.
So I kept saying over and over, it's 3 dots, but I don't think I'm going to be able to find the brand by searching 3 dots. So if you guys know what the brand is, guys, the brand is 3 dots. The brand is 3 dots. So yeah, it's sold for $30 on eBay. But yeah, it was just, I listened to that back and I'm like, oh girl, stop saying it.
Next was Ralph Lauren pink vest top.
Now this was the last item in the box, but
first sold and international.
Yeah, so $20 and international sale. We learned very quickly from this box that Ralph Lauren does really well on eBay and also really well internationally. And I love international sales.
Sold within a few days of us opening the box, and we were basically out of the box at the start of it. So
yeah, so it was pretty exciting for us. So for the numbers, as we said, 5 of 11 sold. I mean, granted, the only things that are still listed that have not sold is the Esley dress. And I think that might be actually it.
So 5 of the 6 items that you listed sold.
Right, and then everything else isn't listed. So, I mean, can I blame Goodwill Blue Box because I didn't list something? I don't know. I mean, I like to believe I know what to list, but I don't know. You guys let me know. Would you have listed these items? I'm curious. But so our profit. Go ahead, numbers man.
So it's $90 gross, and 72 and change net. So we're out of it for double. So.
Yeah, approximately double if you consider in shipping. So there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I think Nicole State said in a recent video that when you're doing these type of boxes and the inventory is being shipped to your door, what you're aiming for is double. You're not really looking to, triple, quadruple like we do at the thrift store because you don't have to look for the inventory.
Yeah.
And I think that's a good thing to keep in mind. Now, if I were to do this box again, I would probably try a more curated box. They do have specific like Y2K boxes I would really love to try. They have shoe boxes, that type of thing. I would probably try something like that to see if that's a little bit.
I think that's probably a safe bet because with this, you kind of knew going in that it was going to be a lot of those brands that you're not going to even take the time to list.
Right. When I'm not excited about it, it sits, clearly. So, anyways, that is what we have. If there is a certain box from Goodwill Blue Box that you want us to try, let us know. I think I'm going to set an alarm for this week and see if I can get that Y2K box. I doubt I can. They sell it like that. But I'm going to try. I mean, I'm on vacation. I got oodles of time. So, let us know what you guys think in the comments below, and we'll be back really soon with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.